It's hard to believe that cars were once just a way to get from point A to point B. But these days, they can be so much more than that. With customizations, they can become incredible works of art that turn heads wherever they go. One of the most incredible things about customizations is that they can be anything you want them to be. There are no limits to what you can do. So, the sky's the limit. Whether you want to add a few simple modifications or go all out and change everything. And with so many different ways to customize your car, there is sure to be something for everyone. In this video, we will take a look at some of the most amazing customizations out there, from ordinary cars that have been turned into masterpieces to ones that have been completely transformed into something else. You will surely be amazed. Number 1. The Mysterion Crazy Custom Car. Mysterion is one of the most popular custom cars out there. Its unique design and crazy features make it a hit with car enthusiasts. But what makes Mysterion so special? For starters, Mysterion has a very unique design. It's not like any other car on the road, and that's what makes it so special. The car's sleek lines and aggressive stance make it stand out from the crowd. And that's just the beginning. Mysterion is also packed with some incredible features. It has a huge engine that gives it plenty of power. And it also has some great suspension components that make it handle like a dream. Add in the fact that it looks amazing, and you've got one heck of a custom car. If you're looking for a custom car, sure to turn heads, Mysterion is definitely the way to go. It's got everything you could want in a car, and then some. Number 2. Solar GM Sun Racer Car. The Solar GM Sun Racer Car is a unique car. It's not just a solar-powered car, but a custom-built car that was designed specifically for solar racing. General Motors and Sunrace USA built the Solar GM Sun Racer, and it competed in the 1997 American Tour de Sol Solar Race. The race ran from New York City to Washington, D.C., and the Solar GM Sun Racer won the event, setting a world record for the fastest solar-powered car at the time. After its win in the 1997 American Tour de Sol, the Solar GM Sun Racer was retired from racing. However, it remains on display at the General Motors Heritage Center in Michigan, where visitors can see this unique solar-powered car. If you're ever in the area, be sure to check it out. The Solar GM Sun Racer is just one example of the innovative cars that have been designed and built by General Motors. To learn more about other unique and interesting GM cars, visit the General Motors Heritage Center website or take a tour of the facility. You'll be sure to see some amazing cars. The Solar GM Sun Racer isn't the only solar-powered car out there. In fact, there are a number of solar-powered cars that have been designed and built by companies and individuals all over the world. Some of these cars are designed for racing, while others are meant for everyday use. Number 3. Back-to-Front Ford XB61 Tailspin. The Back-to-Front Ford XB61 Tailspin is a customized car that was manufactured by Back-to-Front Customs. This company is known for its unique and innovative designs, often inspired by classic cars. The Back-to-Front Ford XB61 Tailspin is no exception. It is a modern interpretation of the classic Ford Model T. The Back-to-Front Ford XB61 Tailspin has a unique design that sets it apart from other cars on the road. The car's most notable feature is its rear-mounted engine, which gives it a distinctive look. The engine is also located in the rear of the car, which makes it very different from most other cars in the market. The back-to-front Ford XB61 Tailspin also has a unique paint job, making it stand out even more. The car is available in a variety of colors, but the most popular choice is the traditional black and white color scheme. If you're looking for a unique and stylish car, the back-to-front Ford XB61 Tailspin is definitely worth considering. It is a great choice for anyone who wants something different from the norm. Number 4. The Crystal Mercedes SL600 Crazy Customization. The car you see before you is the result of over 2 years of work by some of the most talented engineers and designers in the business. The Crystal Mercedes SL600 was built from the ground up to be a one-of-a-kind work of art. And we think it's safe to say that they succeeded. This incredible car started life as a standard Mercedes SL600, but that's about where the similarities end. The entire body has been covered in over 24,000 Swarovski crystals, each hand-applied by skilled craftsmen. Even the wheels have been adored with crystals. The interior is just as opulent as the exterior, with luxurious materials and finishes throughout. And lastly, number 5. Bosozoku Cars Customization. Bosozoku cars are typically very loud, with large exhaust pipes that stick out from the back of the car. They often have large spoilers, body kits, and even neon lights. The cars are usually brightly colored, and the designs are often outrageous. Bosozoku culture is all about customization, and Bosozoku cars reflect just that. While Bosozoku might not be everyone's cup of tea, there's no denying that these cars are eye-catching. So keep your eyes peeled for these amazing custom creations if you're ever in Japan. Who knows, you might just see one driving down the street. Bosozoku cars first gained popularity in Japan in the 1980s. At that time, young people were rebelling against authority and traditional values. They wanted to stand out from the rest, and they did just that by customizing their cars. Bosozoku culture is all about being different and standing out from the crowd. Nowadays, Bosozoku cars are still popular in Japan. You'll often see them driving around Tokyo or other major cities. If you're lucky, you might even spot one on the streets of your own city. Who knows, you might just be able to see one of these amazing cars in person. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. So this is the list of some incredible customized cars. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this.